Now let's look at some settings. First is the lot sizing tab. Here, you can choose a fixed lot, where each trade will use the lot size you set. Don't skip the video, because every single setting is useful and will help you at some point in your trade copying from Telegram to MetaTrader. Or you can select a percentage of balance, where the lot size is calculated based on the percentage you set. For example, on an $11,000 account, choosing 10% will set the lot size to 0.11. This method is great for those who want to compound their account. You can also choose cap, amount per lot, which lets you set a lot size for every specific amount of money. For example, you could set 0.01 or 0.1 lot for every $1,000 in your account. Now let's look at another interesting lot sizing feature for pending orders. You can choose equal, which uses the same lot size for every TP taken. Or you can choose a multiplier, which increases the lot size for each subsequent TP. For example, with a 2 times multiplier and a pending trade with 6 take-profit values in separate trade mode, an initial lot of 0.01 will become 0.02 for the next TP, then 0.04, and so on, multiplying by the set amount each time. Or you can manually set the TP values for each target, up to the 6th TP. In the Trading tab, you can control which types of trades the system takes. You can allow all trades, or choose only buy or only sell. For example, selecting a buy only prevents the system from taking any sell trades, and vice versa. Next is the TP mode. You can select a separate trades mode, where a pending order with multiple take-profit values will open one trade for each TP. You can also choose single trader mode, where the system opens only one trade even if there are multiple TPS. It uses the first TP along with the given SL and entry price. When it convert all pending orders to market orders is selected, any pending signal is taken as an open market order, overriding the pending order. You can also set a default stop loss and take profit value so the system automatically applies them to your trades. This is especially useful when the admin doesn't include SL or TP in a signal, such as a market order, but you still want to protect your position with a default setup. There are 2 main reverse trade modes. The first one is substitute SL for TP mode. In this mode, if an admin sends a buy signal, the system will execute a sell instead. It then swaps the TP and SL values, meaning the original take profit becomes the stop loss, and the original stop loss becomes the take profit, exactly as shown in the video. Next, we have reverse using actual distance. In this mode, the trade is reversed, but the system uses the actual TP and SL distances in the opposite direction. So, when a buy signal is received, the system opens a sell instead. The TP distance is measured from the original entry point, and that same distance is applied to the reverse trade. For example, if the TP is 20 pips away from the buy entry, then in reverse mode, the TP will also be 20 pips away from the sell entry. The same logic applies to the SL as well. This reverse mode is especially useful on days when the admin is having losing trades. If you want to trade in the opposite direction of the admin signals, you can enable the reverse feature so that every trade is flipped. This way, when the admin's trades lose, your reverse trades have the potential to end in profit. In the Filters tab, you can control exactly when trades are allowed to execute. You can filter by time, choosing a specific time range for trading. You can filter by trading sessions, such as the Asian session, London session, or New York session. You can also filter by trading days, selecting which days of the week trades are permitted. This gives you powerful control over when your trading activity takes place. Next, let's look at another useful feature, ignored keywords. This allows you to block certain words or phrases from triggering actions. For example, if the admin replies with the word close to signal closing a trade, but you want your trade to keep running, you can add close to the ignored keywords list. Anytime that keyword appears, the app will ignore it and won't act on that command. When you no longer want to block a keyword, simply remove it from the ignored keywords list. Once it's removed, the command or keyword will work normally again. Now let's look at a very powerful feature. In the Custom Keyword tab, you can define your own signal patterns for how admins in your channels or groups send their signals. This is especially useful when the system doesn't automatically detect a signal. You can customize the pattern so it recognizes it every time. In this example, the admin sends a market order using the keywords up for a buy entry and instant to show the trade should execute immediately. Since the system didn't detect that automatically, we need to add the pattern so it can take action. To capture this signal, we add up to the buy signal keywords because it indicates a buy. Then add instant to the entry keywords, because that tells the system it's a market order that should be executed right away. As you can see, when the admin sends the signal again using that same pattern, the system now recognizes it and automatically picks up the trade. You can do the same thing for a sell signal, not just a buy. For example, if the admin uses the word down or any other term to indicate a sell, you can simply add that keyword to the sell signal keywords. This is just the tip of the iceberg. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into custom keywords, how they work, and how you can use them to define new pending order patterns so the system can recognize them and take action if it's not already doing so. We'll also cover how to map a symbol. This is a powerful feature that even allows you to incorporate other languages and emojis into your patterns. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video with others who may need a professional-grade Telegram to MetaTrader trade copier.